Hello everyone. Today we have got a 1967 Lotus Type 49 and this casting is by Hot Wheels. Uh, as you can see, it's a racing car. Comes with a driver too. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So before I start the review, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please leave some comments, a like. I'm a very small YouTube video maker and I try to make as much as I could with the videos, so it really motivates me. Thank you. Alright, let's come to this race car. I love the color on this one. I don't know about you guys, but the British green and with the laced livery looks amazing. So does the wheels. Wheels are good too. There are obviously no doors or windows because it's a race car. You can see a driver there with a helmet, a small canopy with small windshield going all around. Team Lotus number 5, our roll cage, here you can see it, and you got the entire engine in the back. I'm not sure if it's a V6 or V8, but it looks like a V8. As you can see, 4 on each side. Back, exhaust, twin exhaust, a little bit of frame here, and this is how it looks from the bottom. I know there's something so special about the older racer cars. They look so good, and I absolutely wanted this one. So let me know what you think about this. I kind of love it. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day.